Hello everyone. My name is Alex. Welcome to this English speaking podcast. Today I will help you learn how to introduce yourself in English in a very simple, clear, and slow way. This lesson is specially made for beginners, so please relax, listen carefully, and speak slowly with me. Remember, you do not need fast English. You only need clear English. Now let us begin. When you meet someone new, the first thing you do is introduce yourself. An introduction means telling people about who you are. You can introduce yourself in school, in the office, in an interview, or in daily life. A good introduction is always simple and confident. Now listen to me carefully. Hello. My name is Alex. I am from the United States. Nice to meet you. This is a very basic introduction. Now I want you to repeat in your mind. Hello. My name is. Then say your name. I am from. Then say your country. Nice to meet you. Speak slowly. Do not rush. Now let us practice again. Hello. My name is Alex. I am from the United States. Nice to meet you. Very good. Now we will add a little more information. Listen carefully. Hello. My name is Alex. I am from the United States. I am a teacher. I like helping people learn English. This is still simple English. You can change the sentence. You can say, I am a student. I work in an office. I work in a shop. I am a business owner. Choose one sentence that matches you. Now listen again. Hello. My name is Alex. I am from the United States. I am a teacher. I like learning new things. Nice to meet you. Excellent. Now let us practice hobbies. You can say, I like reading books. I like watching movies. I like listening to music. I like learning English. Hobbies make your introduction friendly. Now listen slowly. Hello. My name is Alex. I am from the United States. I work as a teacher. In my free time, I like reading books. Nice to meet you. This type of introduction is perfect for daily conversation. Now remember something important. Confidence does not mean fast speaking. Confidence means slow and clear speaking. Now we will practice a formal introduction. Listen carefully. Good morning. My name is Alex Johnson. I am from New York. I work as an English teacher. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. This introduction is useful for interviews and meetings. Now repeat slowly in your mind. Good morning. My name is. Say your full name. I am from. Say your city or country. I work as. Say your job. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Very good. Now let me tell you something important. Many people are afraid of making mistakes, but mistakes are part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes, so do not be afraid. Speak slowly, think clearly, and smile. English is a skill, and skills improve with practice. Now I want you to pause the video and introduce yourself for 30 seconds. Say your name, your country, your work or studies, and one hobby. Take your time. Speak slowly. You are doing great. If you practice this every day, your confidence will grow. Thank you for listening to this English speaking podcast. My name is Alex. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I will see you in the next lesson.